No one knows how salty the oceans were before the flood, but volcanic activity on the ocean floor during the flood would have dissolved a lot of minerals.
Right.
This plus continental erosion would add salt to the water, so post-flood oceans were very likely saltier than before the flood.
Here's the thing. Freshwater fish tend to absorb water because the saltiness of the body fluids draws water in by osmosis. Fish in salt water tend to lose water from their bodies because the surrounding water is saltier than their body fluids. How could freshwater fish survive saltier water during and after the flood?
Well, actually, many marine organisms can survive large changes in salinity.
Right.
Starfish can handle as little as 16% of normal salinity, barnacles even less. Some fish migrate between salt and fresh water, for example, Pacific salmon and striped bass, spawn in fresh water and then mature in salt water. Eels do the opposite.
Many post-flood families of fish include both freshwater and saltwater species, such as
Right.
toadfish, catfish, and sturgeon. The Atlantic sturgeon migrates between salt and fresh water, but the Siberian sturgeon lives in fresh water only. This suggests the ability to tolerate large changes in salinity was already present in most fish at the time of the flood.
Right.
Over time, some varieties likely lost the genetic ability to adapt to salt water, while others retained it.
Right, and turbulence may have been low enough at high latitudes for layers of both fresh and salt water to develop and persist.
Right.
As fresh water can sit on top of denser salt water and not mix for extended periods of time. This would allow different varieties of fish to survive the floodwaters. Even if such layers did mix, some fish could have survived. Aquatic mammals like whales and dolphins could have survived the flood better than many fish because they're not dependent on clean water to get oxygen since they breathe air.